Hello there guys, welcome back to another PriceCP Roblox Studio tutorial. In our tutorial today, you're going to learn how to disable the auto load of your characters inside a Roblox game. To disable the characters auto load in a Roblox game, you're going to go to your server script service, you're going to enter a script. You can name it disable character load, or you can choose any name you want. Let's first declare our player service. So we're going to say local players equal to game get service players. To disable the characters auto load, we're going to go to the next line and we're going to say players dot character auto loads equal to false. This line here is going to disable the auto load of all the characters inside your game. Let's now play and take a look. You can see the game has started, but my character never gets loaded. So there you go guys, this is how you disable the auto load of all the characters inside your Roblox games. Hope you have learned something new today. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in our next tutorial. Take care everyone, peace.
Yeah.